Welcome to Pure Mindfulness channel. My name is Kevuma Krishnaveni. In this video, you will know what is Buddhist meditation, why you must learn Buddhist meditation, and first time I introduce myself to you, you will know who I am and why I am teaching mindfulness meditation and why I started Pure Mindfulness channel. Watch till the end. Okay, without wasting any time, let's start. Buddhist meditation, also called Vipassana meditation, is one of the world's most ancient meditation techniques. It was rediscovered 2500 years ago by Lord Gautama Buddha and is the essence of what he practiced and taught during his 45 years of ministry. The practice of Vipassana meditation involves the principles of Dhamma, also called Dharma, the universal law of nature. It involves walking on the Noble Eightfold Path, which is broadly categorized into Sila, also called morality, Samadhi, also called concentration, and Pana, wisdom, insight. Anapanasati, mindfulness of breathing, is a core meditation practice in Triveda, Trianti, and Chan traditions of Buddhism, as well as a part of many mindfulness programs. In the both ancient and modern times, Vipassana by itself is likely the most widely used Buddhist method for contemplating bodily phenomena. Anapanasati is the part of the Vipassana meditation. If you want to learn Vipassana, start with Anapanasati. Anapanasati means observation of natural, normal breathing as it comes in and as it goes out. It is an easy to learn, objective, and scientific technique that helps develop concentration of the mind. Anapanasati in Pali means mindfulness of breathing. Sati means mindfulness, and the word Anapana in Pali refers to the art of inhalation and exhalation. Pali was a Middle Indo-Aryan language which was used by Buddha in his days. Anapanasati was originally taught by the Buddha. Vipassana meditation provides a tool to deal with the fears, anxieties, and pressures across all age groups. Besides helping to calm and concentrate the mind and help people to understand themselves better and gives them an insight into the working of their own minds. Because of its simplicity, the technique is easy to understand and practice. Namaste, pure souls. My name is Kevuma Krishnaveni. I am from India. When I was 15 years, I started learning meditation and practice daily. I research and practice different types of meditations and their techniques. Chakras, auras, energy field, energy healing, breathing exercise, and much more. I am a Buddhist meditation practitioner and teacher. I have 15 years of experience in mindfulness and meditation teachings. 1 year back, I started uploading Buddha quotes in our Pure Divine Energy channel. You can find our Pure Divine Energy channel link in the description. Our Pure Mindfulness channel goal is to benefit the world by promoting mindfulness and compassion through the practice of Buddhist meditation. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, please let me know in comment section.